Hey guys, my name's Quinn and I'm going to be making a drink for my babies, and actually I make food from Play-Doh for my babies now. And as you can see, I made strawberries and blueberries for my baby doll, and I'm going to make a drink for my baby doll today. And I just need a paper towel, a bottle, and a baby drink, and a marker, and a paper towel. And all I need is a garage to make it. And I have this guy in the picture, of course, because this is how my garage guy looks like. But this is my actual garage, and as you can see, I have a door so that I can get out of the garage because it's super cold in the garage. You don't want to live in a garage, but that would be actually kind of cold, and it would not be very nice because I have tons of toys in here. I have games in here and puzzles in here. And it's a cool garage. And as you know, Daddy makes drinks too. But Mommy and my brother don't make drinks. But sometimes Mommy makes our waters and foods. But she makes real drinks, not out of paper towels, bottles, or smoothie drinks, or markers. And sometimes she makes real food, which my babies can't have, because then they'll get ruined. So that's why I'm just using this to make a drink and food. And I have some pretend food in my kitchen, but I like Play-Doh better. And it's actually kind of more fun, so I like using Play-Doh better. So first, let's get to the drink. Okay, so let's split one of this in half. And the water has to go right there up to the line, and there's a line on this too. And Daddy helped me with the water part, but I can't reach the water. But sometimes I can do it because I hold it with two hands very gently. And it's sometimes kind of hard, but not really. So first I just have to open the bottle, and then we'll cut, and then we'll open the paper towel in half. And then we'll color the paper towel. So as you can see, I made a drink for her today, and it was hot chocolate, but it's okay. And sometimes I throw napkins, but the napkins didn't go very well. So that's why I just use paper towels. This isn't a good piece at all. Okay, so I'm just going to do a different piece because that was a bad piece. Okay, this I guess is good. Look how tiny it is. Well, it's good because I don't have to draw a lot. But so this ball is clear, but it's a kind of wet because I put water in it today. But it's fine. There we go. Now put inside the water. Kind of looks like lemonade, but it's a banana drink. Well, it could be lemonade. I'm actually going to make it into lemonade now. But it got in my pants, but it's fine. Just wipe it off on there. And now I just have to get the top one. So as you can see, I made her some of this food because she kind of gets hungry sometimes. This looks yummy. I can't have that. I wish I could have lemonade, but I can't because I don't have real lemonade. I don't have lemonade at my house, but I am going to have to get some, but I can't because some people are still some jerks. And I just made this with the Play-Doh thing, but the strawberries, I have you can make popcorn out of this. I have something that's like a craft, and there's a little thing on the back of it, and there's a strawberry right there, but it's not real. And you can put the strawberry, and you can get some red Play-Doh and put it on the not real fake strawberry, and then you try to get the lines out. Then you take the strawberry out. Then you just put it into a bag because you don't want it to dry out. So then that's how I made the strawberries, but the blueberries I just made out of Play-Doh. But yeah, so I think I'm done. Now I just have to take the top off. There we go. Now I take the lemon out. Actually, it's kind of not lemony because I put it into the water. Okay, so now I pour it into the herb bottle. Okay, so now I put the top on, and then I'll see you guys in the morning, but I'll make a drink tomorrow. Bye!